Hello, my name's Lee, and for the past 18 years I've been the co-owner of Crown Honda. I'm extremely proud of the reputation we have built over many years and would like to give you my top 10 reasons why you should use our fantastic service facilities at Bushey, Heath and Hendon. Exceeding customer expectations is what we aim for in everything we do, and we all treat every customer's car as if it was our own. We participate in Honda's fixed price program. So even though we are based in Greater London, our service and repair prices are exactly the same as any other Honda dealer in the UK. At Crown Honda, we like to go the extra mile and we give you a free MOT with every service. We automatically check to see if your vehicle has any outstanding safety recalls or software updates. These will be carried out free of charge if required. Customer safety is our #1 priority, so we complete a free electronic health check on every car. We would like to assure you that no work is carried out without your prior agreement. Buy with confidence with Crown's tyre price promise. If you have tyres replaced and find the same tyre at a lower price, we will refund you the difference. We never do second best. We only use genuine Honda parts, which come with a minimum of 12 months guarantee. Even with a Honda, sometimes you will get some unexpected repairs. At Crown, we have an arrangement that means you don't have to pay for it all at once, but can spread the cost over a number of months, and to help, we can do it interest-free. After every service, we will give your car a complimentary wash and vacuum. Courtesy cars or collection delivery can be arranged. Experience is priceless when it comes to looking after your car. At Crown, my team of technicians have over 150 years of experience in servicing and repairing Honda cars. Myself and the fantastic team here at Crown Honda look forward to being of service to you and your car. Thank you for watching this video.